Guys, it is your girl, Makeup Covered Melanin, coming back with another video. This is just a quick haul video on some things that I got from Ulta that I wanted to show you guys and hip you to. You may already be hip to it, may have already saw a million videos about it, but I wanted to just go into it a little bit on my own, show you guys what I have. So first, I wanted to show off this Uma brand from Uma Beauty. This is the Black Magic line. And I really love this. I saw it inside of Ulta and it was love at first sight. Like, I had to have it. There was no way that I was leaving Ulta without this lipstick. Not only did I get the Allure color, which is this purple base with the glitter in it. Hopefully this camera is picking that up. I also got the Lady of Gold, which is a gold lipstick but with also a gold glitter base. And I just thought that this would bounce off my skin so well. This is not the Allure that I have on my lips. This is actually a different lipstick. This actually has a silver base. And I really love this lipstick, so I knew that I would love the gold base as well. So I went ahead and picked that up. And just so you can see, this is the full applicator case. It's kind of like magnetic when you open it, which is really cool. So I also love that about it as well. And then guys, so I was looking for like a new inexpensive type bronzer because usually I don't use a bronzer, but I kind of wanted to get into it and I didn't want to go straight to the MAC bronzers and things like that. I wanted to try something on the affordable side just so I can kind of play with it and practice with it. And when I swatched this in Ulta, I was really happy with how it came out on my skin. This is the California Beamin' from NYX. To be a NYX brand, something that's fairly inexpensive, shows off really well. So I'm excited to start using this bronzer. And then also, so everybody's talking about this P. Louise base. And I've been looking for a base that'll go well with my skin tone. Something that when I put on it, it's not going to crack once I set it. And like I said, I heard so many good things about this P. Louise base that I said that I have to get it. I have to try it. And so I did. I ordered it offline off of their website. They were pretty inexpensive. I think I paid like $30, maybe a little, $30 to $36 for all three together. And I got this yellow base because I've been looking for a good yellow base because they always say yellow looks so good on melanin skin, but I can never find a eyeshadow that just comes out bold. Like I said, I don't know if it's my base application or what's the case, but it never just comes out bold like I want it to. So I thought, hey, why not just try a gold base liquid and see if that will work for me. So I'm really excited to try this. This one is the P. Louise Yes A Yellow. And this is from the Base Brights collection. And then I also got the P. Louise base in color number 0. And then I also got the P. Louise base in number 5, which is pretty popular. As I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of people use number 5. So I'm excited to dabble in these bases. And then also from Morphe, I picked up, this is the Artistry Palette 35M. Show you kind of the colors it comes. You see with the names on the top of it. You can just take that off. It's not attached, which I hate if it's attached. It's not attached. You can just take it off. And then you'll see these beautiful colors. So, of course, purple's my favorite color. So I got it because of these two colors here. And then these base colors here. I really love those. And then I just love how the palette was put together. I felt like it had a great color combination. You can create so many different looks from this palette. You don't have to have 8 different palettes pulling from to create one look. You can create a really nice look just from using this one palette. Again, this is the Morphe 35M palette, the Artistry palette. So I'm really excited to do some looks and put those on my channel for you guys to check out. And then my last two, but totally not least, so these are also from Morphe. These are an online only, or I haven't seen them in any stores, but I did see them online. They're about $22 online, and this is the Morphe Pride collection, so of course it's limited edition. So, you know, I had to rep and I had to pick this up. Of course, the colors are rainbow bright. Kind of get into this with you guys. This is just a clear plastic. There's no names. The names are actually on here, which is awesome. And you can just see that this palette is like super beautiful, vibrant colors. You can create all kind of looks. Yes, so I'm super excited about this palette. Super excited to use this Liberation color. It's like this white shimmer, kind of like gold. Super excited to use that one. Super excited to use this Healing color as well. This sorry guys about this freaking lighting, but this gold base color right here. So just really, just overall super excited about this palette in general. Like I really, as soon as I saw it, I was like, I have to have that palette. And $22 for a palette, like, it's like super reasonable. I mean, it's moderately priced. I'm not gonna say it's super reasonable. It's moderately priced, so it's nothing over the top. You're not paying $100 for some people's palettes. So, and then last but not least, I also end up getting the Living Color. This is their brush set, so it's the same limited edition Pride collection. This is it. So this holds their brushes, so it's kind of like a little travel brush kit here, and you have a lot of your base brushes and concealer brushes here. You guys can see that, and it has all the colors of the rainbow, so that's super cute, super exciting, super excited for that. And yeah, so like I love it. Like I thought that that was so cool. Of course, it's Pride Month. All of June is Pride Month. We're actually going to be having our Pride here in the Bay Area soon. I believe it's on June the 30th. So I will be at that Pride event on Sunday. So hopefully I see some of you guys there. Yeah, but that was pretty much it for my haul, guys. I will be having some more videos coming soon, some eyeshadow looks. I want to do a couple of lipstick try-ons with you guys so you can see it bouncing off my skin tone, because that's the thing about YouTube. There's a million people doing YouTube, but everybody's different. Everybody's going to see someone that looks like them in a video. And hopefully, you know, I just love all the people who appreciate my skin tone and my channel and what I do. Really appreciate you guys taking the time out to watch the video. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. And I hope you guys have a great week, great weekend. And be positive, because be negative for what?